In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce update usage in Glide. An update in Glide counts every time data changes inside your app, whether that change happens through an input component, a form submission, or any other action that writes or modifies data. To reduce updates, the first thing you want to do is monitor and identify which one of your apps is using the most updates. We already have a complete separate video on how to monitor update usage in Glide, so if you don't know how to find that information, you can watch that first. Once you are inside the app where you want to reduce update usage, begin by going into the Settings page. Click on the Settings tab at the upper side of your screen and then click on the Data option. Here, if your sync mode is set to Extra, Glide will sync your data tables to your external data source every few minutes while users are active. Even if no data has changed, this automatic sync still counts as an update. Changing this sync mode from Extra to Normal helps reduce unnecessary updates. Next, go into your Data section. If you are using data from any external source, such as Google Sheets like I have here, make sure that you only sync these tables after making a good amount of changes. For example, if I go into my Google Sheet and add a value in a cell, and then return to my Glide table and refresh data, Glide will sync that specific cell. But this will cost me one update. To avoid wasting updates like this, make all your edits in the external sheet first, then come to Glide one time and refresh your sync so everything updates at once. The last thing to keep in mind is limiting unnecessary editing access for your users. For example, if you have an employees table where each employee can open their profile and edit different fields, they may play around with these options, and each edit will cost you an update. To prevent this, you can limit their edit permissions. In the profile page, I have an edit option. If a person uses it, every save consumes an update. To disable it, scroll down the right-hand side of your screen, go to the Actions section, and delete the edit action. It will instantly disappear for users. You can apply this same idea anywhere in your app where users can add or edit information. The less they change data unnecessarily, the fewer updates your app will use. And these are some of the important ways to reduce update usage efficiently without affecting functionality.